I won. Let's have another go. Yes, I won. Yeah, you win.
They've done no work all day. I'm glad I'm not working with them.
Ah, Thomas! We have a party later today and we have a lot to do. I need you to work with Splatter and Dodge to get everything ready.
Yeah, I can help out.
Good luck, Thomas. I think you're going to need it.
Where's Splatter and Dodge?
Got you. Yeah, but I'll get you next time.
We'll never get everything done in time. Why couldn't they be more like me?
Hey Thomas, why don't you use Professor Funling's cloning machine?
That's a brilliant idea. Thanks. Hi, Professor Funling. Please can I use your cloning machine?
Of course, but this time the clones will disappear if they're out too long. I don't want the same problem as last time.
Awesome. Thanks. Let's hope this works. Right, Thomases, let's get to work.
Well done, Thomas! You did all of your jobs with Splatter and Dodge. Would you be able to do some more jobs?
Of course, we can do them.
You mean with Splatter and Dodge, right?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, Thomases, let's do some more jobs.
Who left a flower truck here?
Why have we stopped? Hello?
What's that? Oh, I'm covered in chocolate. It's nice to relax now the clones are doing all the work. We don't have to do anything.
Thomas, all the clones have disappeared and have caused problems everywhere.
Oh no, I can't complete all their jobs on time.
Don't worry, Thomas. We will complete their jobs. Sorry, Diesel, I left the flower there.
Well, don't do it again.
I'll move the truck now. Sorry, Percy, I let go of the chocolate truck.
That's okay. Let's move this chocolate truck. Sorry for keeping you waiting, everyone, but we'll be moving now.
Oh, good. I thought we were going to be here forever.
Thanks for helping me today. You really saved the day.
That's okay, Thomas. We were just doing our jobs.